All right, it is time for another urgent real-time Bitcoin and stock market forecast. We are at support, and it looks like we may have actually found bottom, at least for the next couple days. Who knows, maybe just the next couple hours. But remember these numbers that I told you about? Remember this double bottom and remember this double bottom? We did in fact go up. So what's going to happen? Are we going to keep going up? I'll show you the support on Ethereum, but let me show you this in a different picture. This was about, what, a week ago? A week ago, I told everyone, we are inside this, there's no red circle in here. Anyway, that's what I forgot to include. Anyway, in this red circle, we're going to go up and hit the top of the green arrowhead, and look at what happened. We were in this red circle that is no longer there because I apparently deleted it. But anyway, it's at the end of this triangle. You see the tip of this triangle that I mentioned in the other video? We did in fact bounce out of the tip of this big triangle. That's a rising wedge. And we're almost at the tip of this green arrow, almost there. And this is literally, how long ago was this? Let's see. This was first mentioned here, which is what, how many days ago? October 4th, which is, today is what, October 10th. So 6 days ago, I told you exactly what was going to happen to the stock market on October 4th, and today's the 10th. Anyway, so we almost hit target. We want to go about this much higher to hit target on this. So that would bring the price up to right about here. That would be right about the price that we're looking for before we start reconsidering shorts. So how does that, where does that leave crypto? Well, I'll show you. Let's look at Ethereum right here. And here we are. Bam. This is Ethereum. Do you see what I'm talking about when I refer to rounded bottom? You don't, do you? Now let's zoom in and you will see it. And thou shalt see. I'm just going to zoom in like this on the 1 minute candle. And you're going to see the rounded bottom very, very nice and clearly. There it is. See this? That is a perfect rounded bottom. Doesn't mean that that is final bottom. It just means that it is a potential support for a potential bounce that might actually be final bottom, but without any absolute confirmation yet. In order to be confirmed final bottom, well, there's no such thing as confirmation final bottom. We can actually pump way up here, just keep pumping up here, and then suddenly reverse again and dip. So it's just a game of buy low and sell high. Buy with super, super high leverage when you're at the absolute pico bottom. If you can time it down to the last pixel, you just do 1000x long. And if it doesn't drop another pixel, you just made a ton of money. Literally, you can do 10x your money in 30 minutes. Actually, let me draw this in. There's your rounded bottom. Yeah, it's not an Adam and Eve though. If it wasn't Adam and Eve, the Adam part would be lower. So I'm not totally convinced that this is going to be a long-term bottom yet. But it is bottom enough to do a long right now, especially since stocks pumped. And I will tell you when we hit top again, until if we continue downward, I will tell you when that's going to need to force our longs to close. Yeah, what else did I want to tell? I guess that's it for now. I was going to tell you something else, but I'm not remembering. Follow me on Twitter or x.com, OTC_Bitcoin, for updates in real time.